Cold email isn't dead, it's just lazy. But what if an AI agent could research leads, write hyper-personalized emails, and summarize everything for you? All on autopilot. Today, we're diving into Google's brand new AgentSpace platform and how it could revolutionize your sales process. So, what exactly is Google AgentSpace? It's Google's new AI agent platform built specifically for enterprise workflows. Think of it like ChatGPT agents plus Notion AI plus Google Workspace, but all working together seamlessly. The platform is built on Google Cloud and powered by Vertex AI, giving it serious enterprise-grade capabilities. Unlike consumer AI tools, this is designed from the ground up for business workflows, with security, scalability, and integration at its core. Here's why it matters for sales teams. The average SDR spends 60 to 80% of their time not selling. They're stuck doing research, writing emails, and data entry. AgentSpace changes this equation completely. It lets you search internal and external sources for lead insights automatically. It automates data summarization, turning hours of research into minutes of actionable insights. And here's the kicker. You can build custom AI agents with zero code. No technical team required. This has huge potential to reduce the ramp-up time for new hires and dramatically boost reply rates through better personalization. Let's break down the key features sales teams can actually use. First up is enterprise search for lead research. This isn't just Google searching, it's searching across your entire business ecosystem. Google Workspace, your CRM, LinkedIn, Notion, internal documents, everything. You can summarize deal histories, past email conversations, and meeting notes with literally one click. No more jumping between 10 different tabs. The multimodal AI assistant is where things get really interesting. Upload PDFs from sales calls, screenshots from competitor websites, or even voice recordings, and AgentSpace will digest all of it. It gives you smart summaries, actionable insights, and can even create visual charts or graphs automatically. The Agent Designer lets you build specialized bots using plain English. Want a lead research bot or cold email draft bot? Just describe what you want it to do. No coding required for basic agents. But if you need more advanced logic, you can tap into the Vertex AI Agent Development Kit. And of course, it integrates with your existing sales stack. Salesforge, HubSpot, and there's huge potential for future integrations with tools like Salesforge. This means automatically updating records, triggering follow-ups, and keeping everything in sync without manual work. God just blessed us. Let's get practical with 3 real use cases you can implement today. Use case 1. Research Assistant Agent. You can prompt it, give me 3 personalized insights about this lead from their LinkedIn, company site, and CRM. The agent pulls all the data together and gives you conversation starters that actually matter. Use case 2. Multi-agent brainstorm session. Set up multiple AI agents to handle different parts of your process. One handles ICP targeting, another writes cold email variations, and the third suggests A/B test subject lines. They can all work together to create a complete outreach strategy. Use case 3. Sales call summarizer. Upload a call transcript and get instant summary, list of objections raised, and follow-up checklist. No more taking notes during sales calls or forgetting important details afterwards. Now let's be honest. How does AgentSpace stack up against the competition? Compared to ChatGPT agents, AgentSpace wins on enterprise integrations and security, but ChatGPT is more accessible right now. Compared to Agent Frank from Salesforge, AgentSpace is more powerful for research and customization, but Agent Frank is specifically designed for sales via cold email and works right out of the box. AgentSpace has better agent templates and enterprise features, but requires manual setup for cold outreach, while Agent Frank handles that automatically. The bottom line is that AgentSpace is powerful but needs setup. Agent Frank works out of the box and is good at one thing: cold email. AgentSpace is still early stage and only available to enterprise accounts for now. You might need technical help for deeper integrations unless you're using the pre-built agents. And like any new platform, expect some bugs and learning curves as Google continues to develop it. But here's how this fits perfectly with sales workflow. You can use AgentSpace for deep research and lead intelligence, then pipe that data into Salesforge. Let Agent Frank write and send the emails, handle the follow-ups, and book the meetings. It's the perfect combination of intelligence plus automation. AgentSpace might be the future of AI research, but Salesforge is the now of sales execution. If you want to try AgentSpace or Agent Frank today and see how AI can automate your entire call outreach process, check the links in the description. If you want to learn about Agent Frank a bit more in depth, check out this video.